Which type of encryption is used by default for data at rest in an Azure storage account? A. Client-side encryption. B. Server-side encryption. C. Transport layer encryption. D. Application layer encryption. La respuesta correcta es B. Server-side encryption. Azure storage accounts use server-side encryption, SSE, by default to protect data at rest. This ensures that data is encrypted before being stored and decrypted before being retrieved. What is the primary benefit of using Azure Key Vault with Azure Storage Account Encryption? A. It provides automatic key rotation. B. It allows for client-side encryption. C. It enables the use of customer-managed keys. D. It supports encryption in transit. La respuesta correcta es C. It enables the use of customer-managed keys. Using Azure Key Vault with Azure Storage Account Encryption allows for the use of customer-managed keys, CMK, giving users more control over the encryption keys used to protect their data. How can you ensure that all blobs in an Azure storage account are encrypted using a customer-managed key? A. Enable Azure Defender for storage. B. Configure a storage account firewall. C. Set the encryption key type to customer-managed keys in the storage account settings. Enable soft delete for blobs. La respuesta correcta es C. Set the encryption key type to customer-managed keys in the storage account settings. To ensure that all blobs in an Azure storage account are encrypted using a customer-managed key, you need to set the encryption key type to customer-managed keys in the storage account settings. Which of the following is not a supported encryption type for Azure storage accounts? A. Server-side encryption with Microsoft managed keys. B. Server-side encryption with customer managed keys. C. Client-side encryption. D. Server-side encryption with user-managed keys. La respuesta correcta es D. Server-side encryption with user-managed keys. Azure storage accounts support server-side encryption with Microsoft managed keys, server-side encryption with customer managed keys, and client-side encryption. Server-side encryption with user-managed keys is not a supported option. What is the role of the Azure Storage Service Encryption, SSE, in data protection? A. It encrypts data in transit. B. It encrypts data at rest. C. It provides key management services. D. It ensures compliance with data residency requirements. La respuesta correcta es B. It encrypts data at rest. Azure Storage Service Encryption, SSE, is responsible for encrypting data at rest, ensuring that data is protected when stored in Azure storage accounts. Which Azure service can be used to manage encryption keys for Azure storage accounts? Azure Policy. B. Azure Key Vault. C. Azure Monitor. D. Azure Security Center. La respuesta correcta es B. Azure Key Vault. Azure Key Vault is the service used to manage encryption keys for Azure storage accounts, providing secure key management and storage capabilities.